Now that you've created your Google Classroom, you need to invite students to join your Google Classroom. The way that you do this is to show them these easy steps, just like we went through to create our own class. This one is for students and it looks almost exactly the same. The only difference would be step number 8. When they go to press this plus button, instead of creating a class, they're going to select join a class, and then they need your class code. So let me show you how to get your class code. So here we are in the Google Classroom that we just created. Over here in this banner is your class code. Everyone has unique random letters and numbers. Now, if we were in the classroom with our students, the only thing you would have to do is display this. If you click on this, it makes it a little bit larger. You can make it even larger by clicking this again. But since we don't have our students in our classrooms, what I suggest is copying and pasting this into an email. Send them the directions in your email as an attachment, and write in your class code either here on the attachment by adding it before you attach it to the email, or just typing it into your email. Our class code is. This is the fast way to add students to your class, is them manually typing in your class code. Okay, so it will be right here underneath the title of your class. The long way to add students, let's say you did the easy way and you have a couple of students that still have not added it in, or they're having trouble. You're going to come to the top of your classroom page. It's going to have a tab that says people. If you click on that, you will see teachers and students. Underneath students, here's the fast way here. It just says invite them by giving them this class code. But the longer way would be to click on this person with the plus button and manually enter in each one of their email addresses. It is long, but it will work if you have a few students that are just unable to figure out how to get in. So what the students would do is the same thing that we did. If you go to open up your Chrome, they come over to their Google Apps, this little waffle. They're going to find the classroom page, click on classroom, and if they've never joined any classrooms before, they will see a blank screen and need to come to this plus button and press join the class, and that is where it's going to ask them for their class code. Now, if you notice, here are my 2 classrooms. This is how, once they do join the classroom, they will never have to do this again at all. It will always be there. Unless you archive the class or delete them from your class, they will always have access to your classroom. So all they will have to do is come, like I said, come to their classroom tab. It will take them to classroom.google.com, and they will see any of the classes that they've joined, and all they have to do is click your class. And so that is how you invite students to join your Google Classroom.